Hi there, my man Epidemic. How are you? Okay, so in this video, I'll try to debunk your um, objective morality video, which we kind of talked about it, but the world needs to see. Okay, so your definition of objectivity fails in the sense that it cannot distinguish between something that is independent or dependent of humans. Let me explain what I mean. For example, the property of length is a property of the universe. The universe knows what length is. That's independent of humans. In your sense, it is objective. The colors are objectively true in your sense. However, they are not independent of humans. For instance, if there were no such thing as humans, the universe would have no knowledge of the color red. The light itself, the colors themselves, are a product of the brain. They are not an accurate description of reality. They are just a model. Remember this word. They are a model by which we can get by in reality. They are true in the sense that they are useful. They are not true in the sense that they are an accurate description of reality. We have no access to reality itself other than by through the senses. But it often so happens that the senses prove they fail, as in, I don't know, visual illusions, as in the case of if you look up in the sky at night, you see the moon, by daytime you see the sun, and you conclude that they are the same size using your sense of sight. Also, if you see the stars in the sky, you can only deduce that there's some very small points. You don't know how far they are, you don't know anything. So in this sense, the sense of sight doesn't really help. It doesn't describe reality, it only gets you by in the day-to-day life. It is not rational to trust the senses. It is only rational to trust experience, and even that has some little debate related to it. The sense of sight. Oh yes, you compared psychopaths with blind people. Okay. There is no such thing as actually a complete distinction between people that can see and people that cannot see. Meaning there is a continuous spectrum of people who see less and less and less until they see nothing at all. But how do you define which of these people actually see colors in the way that you can induce its objective for all of us? Where do you draw the line between people who see and people who see not? In this manner also regarding morality, where do you draw the line between psychopaths and normal people? Because those tests are made by, and this I haven't checked, I really haven't checked, but I guess it's like this, so I don't know, you can attack here. Psychologists make a test, and if you get below a certain or above a certain point score, then you're a psychopath. If not, then you're not. But what are the actual criteria for determining that exact score? And furthermore, people who are just below and just above that line, are they that different? I mean, they could agree on a lot of issues, so you can't actually describe psychopaths like that. What you do, there's no normal people and psychopaths. No, there's a whole bunch of everybody in between. In that sense, your definition of objectivity cannot really verify that morality is objective, because you cannot say it is true for all because it is true for this group, but we chose this group based on some criteria this group has. You're auto-defining, you're using logic from your own group to define your own group and then excluding everyone else. So yeah, that's not good, man. That's not good. Killing innocents. Okay, for the killing of innocents, couldn't be bad, it could be wrong. It all depends on what do you call innocent, because innocence itself implies a sense of fairness, and the sense of fairness, I think, implies morality. So yeah, you have a sense of morality which tells you someone is innocent and or someone that's not, and you also have a sense of morality that answers this question if killing innocents is bad or is bad or good. But what does this prove? That you have a sense of morality? Who cares? Yes, we all have a sense of morality. We're primates. Yeah, we're primates. Kind of a lot of mammals have this sense of morality. Look at wolves; they couldn't have that hierarchy without some kind of morality. So yeah, I mean, I know what I am saying is just words in the wind like that, but you really need some stronger evidence to support your case. Okay, and moving on to your premises, they're just funny. That's the truth. Why are they funny? The premise one: if God doesn't exist, then absolute morality doesn't exist. Okay, why? You need to prove that the only source of absolute morality could be God. That being said, and knowing that evolution is another explanation for why morality exists, this hypothesis is falsified, because God may not be the only cause for objective morality. But screw evolution, who cares? Let's take space aliens, they may be the source of morality. I don't know what could be the source of morality. Some Hindu gods, some whatever you want could be the source of morality. How can you tell what's the source of morality? Of course, evolution is the better explanation, but evolution does not imply God at all. And the second premise, objective morality exists. Yeah, as I said, no, you have not proven that, and you need you need some more research. And I'll wish you luck. And as that guy Hitchens says, you have all your work still ahead of you. So until the next time, hope you have some fun and be nice. Ciao.